So you can just tell. She's like this.
As we have been apprised that Mr. Zachary doesn't want to testify, and his father wanted to or did call Mr. Sharp and Mr. Steele, I don't know what he's going to say, but Your Honor, I believe that he should not be allowed to hamstring, to hijack these proceedings by asserting things that are not.
Okay, so I think we have a fairly good indication through his attorney that he is potentially going to come out here and say some version of, I'm so messed up on whatever drugs they've given me that beats me. I mean, you're an elephant. Then how are you going to deal with that?
Your Honor, as Mr. Shive did not relay that to me. And I don't
Well, he just relayed it to everybody in front of you. So you heard it too. And it's been a possibility that he has relayed several times as well earlier this week.
The doctor is on the phone. How about that? That's what we have.
We have to have a doctor call in right now and tell a judge his opinion on whether or not a witness will be too high to testify.
He can't take morphine because he's addicted, or you can't take that, but he's been on for 30 years. He's been in and out of intensive care.
Say 30 years? I thought this fucker was like 27 or something.
Is everybody going to accept that this is his Grady doctor on the phone?
Under the law, he needs to give consent for a conversation.
You have been having conversations with his doctor and the state for the last several days, so I assumed that was with his consent.
Holy, this is actually chaos. This is actually chaos. Like, what the fuck am I watching, dude?
He has to give consent.
So it's been a minute-by-minute consent that you have had with him for the state to communicate with his doctor about his condition, Mr. Shad? Has it? Has it? I'm asking about the understanding that you have of Mr. Zachary's consent to let the state communicate with his doctor about his condition.
The other day. I don't know. He needs to come out and put it on the record. Hey, I consent. We need to find out who the doctor is. I don't know who's on there.
That was my point, is I have no idea who's on the phone. How about a Zoom call?
That's what we're trying to establish, Your Honor. We have his email address.
What are they violating? What is it called? HIPAA?
He gave oral consent a few days ago to a doctor that he knew.
Oh my God, this is actually a circus. Like, there's no other way to describe it.
What is the doctor's name to whom he gave consent to speak about his condition? You are his lawyer. What is the doctor's name to whom he gave oral consent to speak to the state about his medical condition? Okay, well, until he is virtually in person on Zoom, that everybody can be a part of.
We're not going to stop that.
I need y'all to not talk at the same time. I cannot pay attention to both of you at the same time.
That this doctor's conversation and communication not be televised.
That makes sense. I am actually mind blown.
All right, well then I'm not sure that we have his consent to talk to this doctor currently about what's going on.
Your Honor, if he doesn't give his consent, I think he just needs to take a stand. I mean, I don't know why.
Mr. Zachary out at this point. We'll have him take the stand. He'll be able to see.
All right, here's Quindary Zachary. Remember, apparently he's sick and high on drugs.
There's that Q-I-N-D-A-R-I-U-S, Zachary, Z-H-A-R-Y.
Mr. Zachary, hello. Yes, you're going to have to answer questions.
You said, of course, not speak back. Hey, how you doing?
Mr. Zachary, would you please tell the jury how old you are?
31.
And where did you grow up?
Atlanta.
What part of Atlanta, Mr. Zachary?
Atlanta.
Do you know any other persons in the courtroom today?
No.
None of them.
Wait, what?
Do you know Shannon Stillwell?
Yeah.
Do you not see him in the courtroom today?
I can't see. I've been out hospital. You know that. I can't see that far.
All right. Do you need some glasses, Mr.
They're not messing anything. What for?
Mr. Zachary, were you present a moment ago when the court heard from your doctor?
Yeah.
Who is this person?
Shannon.